All right, y'all, we finna try to hook up us a meal, right? And we're gonna be using wood today because I thought about something. Why am I buying charcoal when God is supplying me with all the burning material? You got all this wood out here. You got all this wood out here. You can just pretty much get for free. God bless you with that. Now, I ain't saying I got the wood from across where you're looking at, but you know, you get my point. But I found the area where an oak tree had fallen, and I guess somebody had been out there chopping some of the wood up already. And I grabbed me some. I ain't have to buy no charcoal. I should have been thought of that. Shout out to my mansion. Y'all might think I'm lying. I sleep good as a son, bitch. And we finna be cooking right here. Cause like I told y'all, somebody stole my grill, man. So I found this, like I told y'all in the last video, I found this on the ground. I found both of them, the wire tray and the bucket, the tin can bucket. We finna be doing some cooking, bitch. Let's get to it. So what we got here, I went to the food pantry. Like I say, ain't no shame in my game, snot nose ass man. I went to the food pantry, got this free food, right? We got some filleted fish, beef hot dogs, some mozzarella cheese, and some okra. And we just finna hook up a dish. You know, I ain't have to pay for this. I thank the Most High. We gonna call this the blessing dish. This is a blessing dish, man. I didn't have to pay for this. So let's get to it, Racker. Man, I might not never have to buy no more charcoal. What the hell I been thinking about? All this free wood out here God bless me with. Let's get to it, Racker. This shit goddamn smoking, man. Half of y'all folks, man, y'all probably would have jumped off a bridge by now, man, and went on to end your life, man. That's why I say you gotta use your mind, man. God gave you a brain for a reason. Use it. All right, y'all, what's going on? All right, we finally have got through. We got, well, no, not broccoli. We got okra and cheese right here. And we got the fish right here. Let's give it a test. Hey? Like I say, when you living out here amongst God's elements, what it taught me is how to think outside the box. You ain't gotta be all down on yourself. All you gotta do is keep your job. Look at all this steam. Shit, hot as fuck. Everything's cooked pretty good. Got some sauerkraut, sriracha ranch dressing, and some banana peppers. Let's see what we're doing. Look, I'ma holler at y'all. I gotta get to work.